Want to save battery while you are on the road without doing anything manually with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? You can make driving mode automatically lower screen brightness and turn on power saving to stretch your battery during long trips. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, then tap mode and routine. In the mode section, tap driving, tap other action, scroll down the screen, then tap add action. Next, tap display, then select brightness, set it to a lower level like 20%. Tap done button to save the brightness setting. Scroll down the screen, then tap add action again. Now go to battery, tap power saving, and then make sure to set it to on. Tap done button to save the power saving setting. Next, tap done button again to save the driving mode with both action. And that's it. Now, whenever driving mode is active, your phone will automatically dim the screen and activate power saving. No tapping needed. Given to the function, it's perfect for long drives where you are running GPS or music, but don't want to waste battery on a bright screen or background apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.